I'm Ed, the general manager here at Sun Retreats Geneva on the Lake. Thanks for booking your stay with us. Let's show you around. Here at Sun Retreats Geneva on the Lake, we offer beautiful seasonal sites with city water, city sewer, and electric hookups available. There are so many great activities here at our resort, from volleyball to pickleball, dog parks, jumping pillows, playgrounds, and our beautiful miniature golf course here, and more. And to cool off, we have 2 pools, a family pool for everyone, an adult pool for the adults, beautiful raindrop to hang out under on a hot day. We have many conveniences here to offer, like our 3 beautiful comfort stations with restroom, showers, and mini laundry, a convenience store with gas, propane, diesel, firewood. This is our main pavilion, seats up to 400 people. We do our live events here, entertainment, bands, family parties. We also have Sunday chapel. The atmosphere here at our resort is just a myriad of things, with older people, retirement, young families, middle-aged groups. It's just a lovely spot of nature here. Nearby, our guests can enjoy 33 wineries, breweries, distilleries, the Ashtabula Historical District. We have restaurants and bars with lots of live entertainment. Our entire team is here to make sure your stay is wonderful, like my store clerk, Cole.
Hi, just come visit me anytime you need at the store. I can help find anything that you forgot on your travels.
Download the Sun Outdoors app from your favorite app store, where you can book your stay with us. We can't wait to see you here at Sun Retreats Geneva on the Lake, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.